Hello guys, so I have a box here. Hopefully after I'm gonna open this box I'm gonna find an XLPower 520 super combo. So yeah, stay with me while I'm opening this box and find out what's in it. Okay, so I have here 3 smaller boxes and let's see what's in the first one. So the tail boom, the yellow one, and then another tail boom which is the black one, and I guess the tail servo rod, and we should also have the main blades here, which are the Rotortech 510 3D blades. I think they should be really nice blades. I can't wait to try them out. So let's see what's in the second box. We have the canopy here. Really nice and shiny, and we have the magnets here and some magnets at the bottom. Put it aside. Then we have the skids and the main frame here. Now let's see what's in this box. This should be the electronics and the other details. So this is the box, the bag with the main blades holder. Then this is with the main rotor head. And we have the swash plate. We have the Hobby Wing 120 amps ESC with a fan here, some capacitor, protection capacitor, some wires of course. The tail blades, Rotortech. Some screws and servo horns. Here is the main gear and with the tail pulley, and the main gear, the main shaft. Then we have the tail belt. So here are some more parts from the main frame, the reinforcements of the main frame, and the tail belt guides, and some other parts here. Here we have the tail servo, which is an XLPower tail servo. Okay. And these are the cyclic servo, which are some XLPower cordless motor. This is the third one. And the main motor, which is the 4020 kVs 6S motor. Yeah. Okay, so that's it. This is the parts that you get in this XLPower 520 Super Combo. What else? For the build I will also need the brain fly-barless unit. I fly brain unit in my XLPower 700, so I like it very much, so I'm gonna put it on this build too. Then I'm gonna also need the receiver. This is an FR Sky receiver, XSSR receiver, an S-Bus receiver, which is capable to communicate with Brain 2 unit and also provide me the OpenTX integration. I'm gonna use the Radio Master TX16S for this build, and I'm gonna also use it to do the OpenTX integration. I also did it for my 700, my XLPower 700 Spectre, and I'm also gonna do it here for this build. So stick with me on this channel to build this helicopter. I'm gonna create a video series for this build, and subscribe to the channel, and let's start building it.